Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about trybotanic.com, that is Batana oil review, and we'll find out whether this is a genuine website or a scam. So this sell Batana oil and other products. There's several red flags that suggest it might not be worthy. And this is a website, right? This website is made on Shopify. All these reviews is given made by this website, right? This is not genuine reviews because in the Shopify we have the access to edit each and everything, the images, from images to words to stars, each and everything, right? And here, if I just go and try to go to the contact section here, okay, so there is no contact section. I don't know where they're located. The phone number, email address, nothing is available right now. Okay, the email is available here, but there's nothing more than that, and there's a not about us that I can't know that who run this website, right? And all this stuff. Okay, so here it is, and here it says that based on 5311 reviews. Okay, and when I click on this, it just take me here. I don't know where are the all the reviews. Let's just find out the reviews here. This is one of the product, and this reviews, of course, I just made. I thought they're showing me Google reviews or Trustpilot reviews. No, it's not. So here you can just go and try it by yourself. I will not suggest, because if you look the trust score, that is 19 out of 100. This rating of the site is low. Cautious nature, don't trust this kind of the website. This could be a scam. Same here, I found this website which did a deep dive in this website, and they have found so many things. Use secure payment methods, be careful with emails, read the refund policy careful, no hidden conditions, nothing. So this is it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.